Welcome to Discover CAD by Assist. We show you the intelligent workflows of CAD Assist. Part 2 will show you the grading of the front trousers with great finesse. See best practice to grade intuitively with a perfect fit result. We show you copy functions in best practice. Copy rules along the contour, copy the complete set of grade rules, or copy to multiple points. We show you how to quickly grade a dart with proportional rules, and how to easily grade a zipper without calculating X and Y rules. So let's start grading the front trousers. The back and front have partly the same grading. Let's apply the back grading as far as possible. First, we flip the front trousers to have it in the same direction as the back trousers. We close the dart to prepare the proportional dart grading. Select Grading, Grade, copy selected rules, and pick the first and the last elements of the back contour clockwise. Then left-click on the first element of the front trousers. The entire leg grading is copied. That's really fast. Let us continue and do the frontwise next. Select the rule editor and multi-select all ungraded points of the frontwise. Confirm the local rule and set the grading values shown on the left side of the screen. It makes sense to use the proportional grading for the dart. This will allow it to match it with the ratio coded notch at the waistband. Select Grading, Generate Modify Proportional Rule. Then click the center of the dart roof and the reference point on the waistline. Using the rule editor and multi-select, we can easily copy the proportional grading to all dart points. Now we want to grade the measure lines and the stripe line. Let's start with the measure line at the hip. It's a good idea to show the grade rules in SmartGuide because we want to copy them from the contour to the internal lines. Select the rule editor and pick the internal line at the side seam. Use the F4 key to pick the correct line. Simply enter the local rule number -14 used on the contour. Then copy the Y value to the other side of the line to keep the measure line horizontal. Select Grade, Internal Rule to trim the stripe line, hip line, and crotch line. Move to the knee line. Hide the grade nest. The local rule numbers on the knee contour are -4 and -5. Select the knee line with the F4 key, enter the rule number -5 and confirm with the Change button. Close the window and repeat the operation for the other side. Display the grade nest again in SmartGuide. Always return the piece to its original shape and position when you have finished the grading operations. The standard grading of the left front trousers is completed. For higher comfort, we use two different zipper lengths. From size 42, the zipper is 2 centimeters longer. At first glance, grading is quite simple, but the grading must follow the center front line, and we do not know the x and y values at this point. Let's see how to proceed. Now watch out how we can do this. Select Rule Editor and click the lower point of the front zipper facing. Then select the Stack Grade function and double-click on the point to stack the grading in this point. Use the axis rotation to make the grading in the extension of the line. Smart Guide will help you to find a good axis position. Enter 20 mm as incremental value for size 42. As a result, all sizes larger than 42 will be 2 cm longer in absolute value. We set the stack of the grading. Now show the grade rules in Smart Guide menu. Hide the construction line as they will not be touched in the next step. Select Rule Editor and multi-select all points at the bottom of the zipper facing. Assign the grade rule number -94. The stack grading function is a quick way to visually check the grading. Stack the grading here and reset the stack immediately. With 2 clicks we can see if the graded sizes match the zipper sizes. This is difficult to see in the original grade nest. Now the left front trousers grading is finished. Flip the right front trouser. Use the stripe line as mirror line. Select Grading, Grade, Copy Rules to copy all rules in one step. With the left mouse button, select the right front and drag it over the left front. When the piece position matches, right-click to copy all grade rules. For similar pieces, like right and left front, it is best to copy the whole grading with Copy Rules. Flip the right front back to its original position and the grading of both front trousers is finished. You have learned that front trouser grading isn't rocket science. Copy functions were helpful here. For the dart, you remember the proportional grading. The length grading of zippers can be easily achieved. But there is much more to explore. Check out the other Assist cut stories. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope to see you again on Discover Cut by Assist.